Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sagru Study Channel. In previous classes and videos, I teach you about the C program and how to write the C program and what are the contents are there. I will told you the all theory part of the C program, and also I teach you about the algorithm of the C program, means how to write कैसे वो मैं वो प्रोग्राम कैसे स्टार्ट करूँगा, वो सब मैं टीच कर दिया। और टुडे क्लास में तुमको मैं एक एग्जांपल देते भी वो एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ कैसे सी प्रोग्राम लिखना हुआ। टुडे क्लास आई विल टीच यू अबाउट how to write a C program with one example. See, this is the example with the code. First, we have to specify what are the, remember in previous class what I said in the algorithm part. First, we have to specify the preprocessor directives. So, include Studio H and these are the one of the preprocessor directive. So I include this one. Next one, we have to include the function, that is main. With the main, we have to include the use the type of function. It may be void, it may be integer. So like that, when we use the void, we didn't like to get the return value. So that time we use the void. When we want to get the return is equal to 0, that time we use the integer. I will tell you with in future videos when I am using the integer, that time I will teach you, and you can also understand that one. So just today you must now you understand. Include is the, you have to specify the preprocessor specify directive. Next one, this is the function main with the void. Next algorithm I told you, we have to open the brackets and close the brackets. Within that we have to write the sentence, which type of sentence we can write. So after opening that bracket, you write I written some sentence. First one is printf. Why we use the printf? You know that in previous I also told you we use the printf why, because of to display the output on the screen. That's why we use the printf. We use the printf in the with the bracket. In that, whatever we return in the bracket, that will be displayed in the double code. It will display on the screen. See, in the printf within the bracket and with double code, I written the name Mallikarjun Basavara Salagondi, and with next I written the printf with in the bracket with the double code. Means we have to specify the double code. If you not specify the double code, that is not display. So this is the algorithm, right? When you use a printf with a bracket, in that you have to specify the double code, and within that you have to write the statement what you have to display. So today I am writing about the biodata. So I written my name, and next my age, next my mother name, next my email ID, like that I written. So also you can do see, also I include the like slash n. So that is why, because when we include the slash n, that leads to the in column wise, like one by one. If it is not include that, these are all displayed in serial manner, in vertical, yes, in a vertical manner. If you want to use a horizontal, we can use the slash n. If you not use the slash n, that all outputs are displayed in a vertical manner, like one by one with series manner. If you use the slash n, that will be displayed like a one by one down with column wise. See, so when you I raise the program like it, that will be result will be look like this one. See, first we have to compile. When you first you have to open the file with the name with the nano file name with the .c. When after writing the program, you have to compile that with the gcc file name with the .c. After that, we have to run that. Means if you want to run, you have to write the /a.out. Then the output will automatically it will come. See, output the name Mallikarjun. After that it will be coming in a column by one, right? So that is why, because of I use the slash n. If it is not used a slash n, that will become like a with in a print Malli Salagundi, and next one is next one mother, like that it will be coming. So in now I am used the slash n, that's why it will be coming like one by in a downward manner. So also I told you with writing the one example I will told you once again. See, just I opened my program portal. First we have to write the nano, then you use the space, and then you have to write the file name. I will be giving the name like personal details to the, so that should be with a single word. If you give the gap between that file name, then the program will be not run, then not be done. So that start showing the error. So that's why you have to use the single word to get a name for the program. So I am using the personal detail without space. With a dot C. Then after writing this, we have to enter the press the enter, then it will be open the program, right? So now we have to start the, means we can start the writing the program. For that, first, what is the algorithm? First algorithm, we have to include the preprocessor directives, that is hash once again, hash include greater than symbol, within that studio stdio dot h with lesser than symbol. See, and you also note that the all pre-specifier and function should be, whatever there should be algorithm are there, so they all should be written in the small letter only. Okay, and next winter that will become like next we have to specify the function, that is main with that. So now I use the void function, so I'm not want to give the return, so that's why I use the void, void space main, 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 and with the open bracket and close bracket. So now I complete the second algorithm to display the that is to display the function. Next, third is we have to open the flower bracket, and next we have to close the flower bracket. Means why? Because I am doing now, even in last we are target, so that's why now I am only doing that. You have to close the flower bracket. In that, in between that flower bracket, we have to write the statement. So now I am writing the personal details. So I print up. I use the print up to display the sentence. So I use a print up, FRINTF with the bracket, normal bracket, within that double quotes. So within that I write what I am Mallikarjun. I write an name with name. Once again, name, dot, and my name is Mallikarjun. So just you write, just I will write Mallu. Okay, so in after writing the your statement, we have to give the sign like semicolon. In only when you use the loop statement, that time only you are not specifying, but when you use the printf or scan up or anything, or when you declare the integer, that time last we have to specify the semicolon. Okay, sorry, also I forget one method. After opening the flower bracket, we have to specify the variables. Now I am not specifying any variables. Why? Because of I am not going to display any variables or use, so that's why I am not specifying. If you want to use any variables in the during the writing program, so for that first you have to display or declare that all variables, and after opening the flower brackets, if you are using the variable a b to give the sum, and like it's just to give the int. If you want to give want to the integer value, just to give the int. If you want to the any value like a point and decimal, or just to use the float. If you want to use the character, just use the character. Then int with what variable like a, or with so many. If you want to use the many variables, just to give them comma b comma, like that. So now I'm not going to use anything, so that's why I'm not specifying the variables. Just I am using the statement. um, okay, next one I am going to say like is right. Same I am using printf, frintf with a open bracket and close bracket. Within that I have to open the within double quotes. Within that I write the is I will write like a 19. Okay, so then after that I have to specify the semicolon. Then next okay, today it will be enough, but in example I've given more, but this is enough. Like that you are writing the exam in a starting method. If you want to display something, just use the printf and like that. So after writing, now I closing my program. After writing my program, you means my or any program, you have to close save it. So that for that we have to press the control with X, then it will be saved. It will be asking the option like this. See, yeah, you want to save or not. So if you want to save, just press the Y. It will be asking like Y. See, in that there is a, if you want to give save that, actually it is not displaying. If you want to save the, press yes. If you want no, then press N. So that is like that is asking. But if you want to save, just give the Y, then press the enter. Then it will be saving. If you want to save that, means if you want to compile and running, before running that you have to compile that. Why? Because of when you compile, the computer will be compiling or checking the all program. It will be, is there any error or not. If it is any error, that is displayed in the that program, then we have to by reading that we have to correct that errors. After that only that program will be running. So now I am compiling that. So for that I have to write the G, small letter G C C with a after some space. Then file name FERSONAL and DETAILS .c. So I am pressing enter. See, oh, if it is, it's so like, and if you go the next line, you have to understand, oh, your program is right. There is no any error. If it is if is there any error, then it will be showing my error to me. Then we have to read that all error. Then we have to correct that. So my program is correct. It will be so it is compiled now. So I have to run that. For that, slash means dot slash a, again dot, again out, then press the enter. Then your program will be run. See, it will be display like, see, the result will be name Mallu and age 19. See why it is look like it is means it's showing like that, because of I'm not displaying the slash when. So that is why I told you in before that and within the before program, why you are using slash n, because of to print the result output in column wise. That's why you're using. But now I am not used that, so that's why it is displaying in a continue manner. So I will change that. See, again you have to write the file name, then press the enter, nano personal detail.c, then enter. Then it will be bring us to the program. So I am changing that. I am including the class n. If you can, you write the in before the sentence or after the sentence, but that will be within the double quote. If you use the within, that that is not that is helpful to you. If you after that you are going to use some variable, so that will be maybe create some problem. So if it is better to use the before that. So I will also include this to this statement also. See, so I know I again save that. See, and now when you are changing that, when you are changing something in that program, you have to, every time you have to compile that. Then will be your you have to run the, means you may run the correct program. Then again there is no errors. So after that now I can run that. See, now it is showing in a column, right? First it is display the name, then Mallu, after that it display the under that age 19, right? So this is the program. I hope you understand very well. In previous previous videos, totally I teach you about the basic and theory of that C program. If you want that, you can go, you can subscribe my channel and go to my video group, and you can search in that and you can get that. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, and previous videos are in future I will teach you more problem and more programs by for getting a more. If you want that, please subscribe my channel. When I upload that, you can get my videos. Thank you.